All right, today we are making this little bowl out of a super dry piece of elm. And you can see I've got kind of a roundish, almost calabash type shape to it. It is about 4.5, 5 inches across and about 2.5 inches deep. So deep. So if you want to watch me turn this bowl, stick around. Alright, today we're going to make a quick little bowl out of this piece of elm. I roughed it out years ago, 10 years ago or something. Maybe I thought it was too small. Set it aside so I know it's dry. It's only 5-ish across and about 3 deep. So, let's get it started. Okay, we're going to just bring this tool up. Oop, I got to move that. I've got a cutting on about center. I'm going to take my tool and go 45, 45, 45, the Bill Grumbine cut, and just come across. There's 1,000 RPM. A pretty good cut, and I got almost round first time. So now let's straighten this out and get your tin in, and then we got a little bit more to do right here. Alright, so I just checked that's the size of my tenon. So, gotta be a little bit smaller. And I've seen turners make extremely shallow tenons, but I need it deeper than that. I don't even have flat yet. A little bit deeper. That's about 1/8 of an inch, 1/16 of an inch. I'll go about 1/8. That would probably work, but we'll just give it a try a little deeper. I don't really want a flat bottom bowl, and I don't want one straight up either. But I'm kind of up here now on a shear cut. And trying to get it as good as I can. And then I transferred right to the tip when I was over here. Oh, still got some more to do. Never mind. Not quite there. Alright, one more tiny bit. And I got this corner way too square. That is a really good cut for just coming off kind of a dull tool. So I'm going to sharpen the tool, get rid of this little bump, and I don't know, maybe we'll bring this in to be a little bit of an OG. Alright, with a nice clean new edge. Nice cut. One little bump. Alright, that was kind of cool. Alright, I got it. Well, that grain is pretty cool. There's some spalting in it. Nice little round. It's going to look like a little honey pot, kind of an OG shape. Sanded it up to 400. Flip it around, hollow it out. Alright, I got another crown tool. We're cutting right on center. We come back here like this. I hate doing that. I always get that in the way. It's more convenient yet. It's always in the way. Oh! Hey! Take that out of your cut. The knockout bar. Nope, we're not quite there yet. I got it. Okay. Alright, we'll try and film it from over here. I might be in the way anyway. Alright, we're getting down to it. I got most of it hollowed with my bottom feeder, and now I've got a 3/4 inch M2 HSS steel, and I'm just gently scraping to get the final little ridges out, and it's scraping really well. There's no tear out at all, so I'm happy about that. I can't really film it without being in the way, but it's what I'm doing. See? Just putting it in there at a little bit of a down angle, right on center, going back and forth. Yeah, I don't dare do it without holding on to it and whatnot. So that's how we're finishing it, is just gentle scrapes. Alright, I've got a nice little shape to it. It feels pretty good. It feels a little rough, but that's because you sand out between the grains, basically. Alright, so in order to do that, I put this block on. I'm going to square it up, or make sure it's round, and then bring the tailstock back up. Finish this off, cup this out, sand the bottom, leave a tiny little nib, and then we'll cut that off by hand. I'll also put some brown towels or something in here to cushion it. So, this is easy. Just put it easy. Okay, we put it back on there. I actually put a little 800 sanding pad underneath there. And now I need to just bring this off and bring it in. Getting close. Yeah, so there I took my parting tool and came in here and took off what looks like 90% of the nib. Now I'm just going to just trim that with a chisel, skew chisel. So the way I do this, with my helper, get my hands out of the way, and just gently wiggle this along. Well, hello, kitty kitty Jojo. Alright, well that's the bowl. That's the shape. That's what I did to the bottom. So now let's put some Mahoney's walnut oil on it. Okay, here we go. Altarama. All right, well, there you have it. That's the bowl we're making today.